guys, so just woke up from, I think it was like a 9-minute nap. We're dead. Slept in the car last night after driving a lot yesterday in general. Well, it's almost sunset. We are headed to Factory Butte. We are stoked. We're gonna get some drone stuff, hopefully some camera stuff. We're gonna drive out there and hike out, see what we get into. So, we made it. There's Factory Butte, and we're gonna go hike out on this road because it's not really meant for cars, I don't think. We think our boy Alex may have bailed. We left, we left the hotel at the same time, but we haven't.
He had to grab gas.
He texted you that?
Yeah.
We just got gas like last night. All right, I guess he needed gas. We thought he bailed because he was super tired, but we'll see if he ends up making it. Right now, it's just us. Woo! Made it! Alright guys, so right now I'm way up and over there. I've got all these ridge lines kind of leading up to the Factory Butte. And right now I have this exposed for the ridges and for the Factory Butte. I'm just going to show you guys how to do a drone panorama in case it's not wide enough. So just pan the camera all the way to the bottom and horizontal photo. Take it and then, that's really not good. Pan up a little on each photo until we get to the top. Hopefully my drone doesn't crash. And then once we're at the top, it's overexposed, so I'm just gonna crank that down with this right panel, take a shot, and then I'm gonna bring her home before I crash it. So guys, I've got my 85mm on APS-C mode, so I'm not sure what that equates to, but it's over 100 millimeters. And right now I'm just gonna be shooting right in front of me just to get kind of a really abstract photo, super cropped in and zoomed on the ridges. I got my settings here for 1/125, f5.6, and ISO 200. Guys, so we're finished up at Factory Butte. Our cars are way over there. I don't know if you can really see them because it's getting kind of dark right now. But once we get it back, hop on the computer, edit these photos, see what we got.